Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete notifications from YouTube. So let's get started. So if you want to delete notifications from YouTube, or if you don't want to get any notifications from your YouTube account, what you can do is just open up your YouTube application. After opening up your YouTube application, now you can tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. After tapping on the profile icon, now you can tap on settings which is on the top right. Then you just have to scroll down and then tap on notifications, and then basically turn off every single option that you see turned on. So if these options are turned on, it will notify you. So you can see the second option which says subscription. So if you turn on this option, it will notify me about activities from the channels I am subscribed to. So if you turn it off, you will not receive that notifications. Same with your recommended videos and recommended ways to create, and you just have to turn off these options, then you will not be notified on your YouTube account. So this is the one way, and the other way is just come back to your home screen and then open your settings. After opening up your settings, in search bar you can search for YouTube, or you can search for apps, and inside your apps you can search for YouTube. After opening up your YouTube, now what you can do is just tap on notifications and then turn off these notifications. And by turning off these notifications, you will not receive any notifications from YouTube. So just turn off every single notifications, or you can just turn off this all YouTube notifications turned off, and by doing so you will not receive any notifications from YouTube. So that's it guys, this is how to delete notifications from YouTube. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.